In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WordPress with an automation workflow so new Claude generated content can be handled automatically. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and go to Plugins, then select Add New. This is where you can search for and install new tools that extend what your WordPress site can do. In the search area, look for a workflow automation plugin that works with the platform you plan to use, such as Make or Zapier. The goal here is to install a plugin that helps WordPress communicate smoothly with your automation system. When you find the right plugin, click Install, wait a few seconds for WordPress to download it, and then click Activate. Activating the plugin is what makes it available inside your site, so it can begin interacting with your workflows. As you do this, it's a good idea to make sure you're installing the correct plugin from a trusted source. If there are multiple similar options, take a moment to confirm that the plugin supports the automation platform you want to use and is intended for WordPress integrations. That small check can save time later when you begin building the connection. Once the plugin is active, move over to your automation tool, whether that's Make or Zapier, and begin setting up the trigger. The trigger is the event that tells the workflow when to start. In this case, you want the trigger to fire when Claude generates new content through the API. That means your automation platform needs to listen for new content creation events coming from your Claude setup. As you configure the trigger, pay close attention to the event you select. You want it to match the moment new content is successfully generated, not a different action in the workflow. This part is important because the trigger controls when the rest of your automation runs. If it's set correctly, your workflow will launch only when fresh content is available. Take your time during setup and review each field carefully before saving. A clean trigger configuration makes the rest of your automation much more reliable and easier to troubleshoot later. Once everything is connected properly, you'll have the foundation in place for an automated process that starts as soon as Claude creates new content.